guys, it's the surprise birthday for my husband, for my Pepe. Oh my gosh, I'm getting older. I'm 50. That's why he brought me this morning to my work. Oh my goodness. This is my clothes. But why you did not take my scarf there? There is more nice scarf there inside. Yeah. No, my scarf there upstairs. Okay. It's slow, people. It's very slowly. Oh my god. It's like the one from the Philippines. You don't want to. It's like they are ashamed to. Because this is the tradition of the people. If they are 50, you have to do it. But I did not think that you will do it this for me. I'm getting old. I will walk like this is very slowly. Sorry guys, I cannot show you myself because I'm tall. I came from my work. This is my work today. I came from my work. Okay. Thank you. It's recording. Guys, this is me. I'm old. My looks is nothing because I just came from my work. Oh. Okie dokie. I'm going to sleep. Bye bye. Nice surprise. Karcha for me. Thank you. I'm gonna pick up video this one time. Oh my gosh, that's nice. Oh my gosh. Wait, there is no Christmas. Oh my gosh. The golden woman. It's nice surprise, honey. Guys, I'm gonna open the present of my husband. The card. Because I'm working today, so it's like this, my. Oh, that's nice. Gipelicitor 50. Hartelijk gefeliciteerd aan het Bike 50. Welgeluk en gezondheid gewenst. Yappy, 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 ho. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 50. Thank you so much. Bye bye guys. See you later. Pasensya na kayo sa looks ko kasi nag-work ako today. Kasi sayang naman kung hindi ako mag-work, maghintay ako kung kailan mahuhulog ang bituin. So walang mangyayaring mahuhulog na bituin. So mas mabuti pang mag-work kasi time is gold. Diba? See you later, guys. See you later. This flower is from the sister of my husband. And this one is from my work because I working this morning. And this one is from our neighbor. So that's nice for them. And I have still from upstairs the envelope. I don't know it yet. Yeah. One moment, Tan. One moment. It's from my sister-in-law. So, 50. Sienna, articulate capacitor. Whichever your dog have well yarin in good of his own he good is better in Lian Hofland. Happy 5th anniversary. 50. So my sister-in-law. And I have also the 50 flowers that they gave it to me from the sister. And then with this one is also from the sister. And then also she gave me also a sushi for my lunch tomorrow. She's very nice sister-in-law. She's very loving and she have a nice attitude. It's to pity that she is sick. She's very soft looking, soft spoken, very nice. And then I think this is from my mother-in-law. From my mother-in-law. Sienna dit by Sonderjahr Zayay. Zar van hartelijke gefeliciteerd. Ik jou voor your dog. Fijn feestdag gewenst. Groetjes mama Sondert. Is from the mama pan GP. From my mother-in-law. So this is the one. And then sandali lang. Ay, yung sa asawa ko nandun sa baba, binigyan ako ng 200 ng asawa ko at saka yung surprises niya na may tal na 50 years old yun. Tapos meron siyang gift sa akin na alis kami. Ewan ko kung kailan. And this one is from the nephew. And together with this one. Actually, I don't want to celebrate my the anniversary birthday, just simple because it's COVID and we cannot go out to go in the restaurant, so it's just only like we can order. And yesterday, you know what yesterday I just found the money in our corridor, 50 euro. It's the gift from above. Thank you so much, Papa G. Sana mawala na po ang COVID.